We will now learn about categories and tags in WordPress posts. In short, these categories and tags can be seen as a mechanism of grouping similar posts. You may wonder, why are there two different systems for grouping? I will answer this question by showing you how to use them, and how they appear on the website. Then you will have a good idea when to use which one. Mouse over posts in the left navigation menu, and you see two links for categories and tags. Click on categories and you will be taken to this screen. On the left you see a form to add a new category. Only the name field is required in this form. One important difference between category and tag is category can be hierarchical, where tag cannot be hierarchical. You can define hierarchy though parent category dropdown. On the right side you see a listing of categories on the site. Every WordPress post must have one category. By default this category is called uncategorized. So when you create a post, this default category is assigned to that post. Click on the Help button on the top right to expand help texts for this screen. And you see some information about categories in general, and also some more information how to add a new category. Navigate to Tags link. This screen is similar to category. As tags cannot have hierarchy, you will not see that parent drop-down option here. Also tags are optional, so no default tags here in the listing on the right. Check out the help in tags to see some similar info about tags like categories. Let's edit a post and add categories to it to see how this works. To see the listing of all posts, click on All Posts menu on the left. Mouse hover on the post you want to edit, and click Edit under the post title. On the post settings on the right, you can see a categories option. Here you see already the default uncategorized is selected. Let's view the post where this category appears. Scrolling down the post and here you see the category here. Placement of category information depends on how the WordPress theme implements it. Click on the category name, and you will be taken to this special category URL. Here you will see all the posts of that category. So you have got an URL for a category, where all the posts of that category is listed, and if you want a menu for the category you can use that URL. Let's move back to the post editing screen. You can add categories directly from a post. Click on Add New Category and give a category name. Now click on Add New Category button. You see that category is added, and you can unselect any category by unchecking the tick in the box. Update the post. Once it is updated you can view the post. You see the category is changed here to food. You can add as many categories as you want in a post. Now we will see how to add tags in a post. Adding tags is similar to add categories. Expand the tags section right after categories, and an input field will expand. Type in a tag name and then put a comma or press enter. This way you can add multiple tags in a post. To remove a tag, just click the cross icon on the tag. I will update the post to see where the tags appearing in the post. You see the tags are just below the category, and I had created 3 tags for this post and they are all here. These tags are also links, and if you click on the tag, you will be taken to a tag URL. Tag URL is tag/tag name. In these tag URL, all the posts having that tag will be shown. Let's edit another post to see if these categories and tags are there. The food category I added in another post appeared in the category list for this post, but not the tags. The reason is, tag only applies to individual post. So if 2 posts has same tag, then they just have tag with same name. But if 2 posts have same category, then those posts are under that category. In post editing, this do not make much sense, but it is good to know this subtle difference, as many WordPress plugin develop their feature based on this boring difference. Let's see from WordPress admin how these categories and tags appear there. Categories has all the categories listed here and how many times a category is used. If you want to change category name, you can mouse hover on category name and click Edit. Only the name field in this form is required. Lastly, let's have a look at how categories look in Add a New Post. You see all the categories are listed here. You can apply one or multiple categories by selecting it here, or add new category from here. So this was all about categories and tags in WordPress post content type. Depending on the type of your work, you may have to work lots with categories and tags, or too little. With tags and categories, you will always get an URL with all the posts listed. This link can be used as menu item or to share something interesting. As you learn it about this important concept, let's move to the next lecture.